In the heart of Delhi's lanes, majestic tales the walls recount. Through vibrant streets the echoes reign, where past and present intertwine. Above the stones the red fort stands, a witness to a royal time. In the city's bustling heart, every color tells a story. Majestic legacy unfolds in this timeless territory. From Yamuna's flow to ancient spires, rich heritage and vibrant hues. Amongst the relics of empires, traditions blend, legacy renewed. The sound of music in the air, proudly chanting history's truth. In the city's bustling heart, every color tells a story. Majestic legacy unfolds in this timeless territory.
Intricate voices